Guy's Kitchen, and for today's video we are gonna go into how to set up your store navigation. That is, create the menu, do mega menus, do multiple drop downs. It's all pretty easy, so we will just jump right into it now. So first, from your home screen, go to online store and then navigation, and you'll see the menus. Now, depending on the theme that you have, you may have 3 or more menus. The theme I'm using uses 2 menus in the footer and 1 at the top for the header. So my footer menus will be the first footer one, which is actually the legal list, and the second menu will be the customer service list. So I will just go ahead and create a new menu for customer service and start adding items to the menu. So literally, to add an item, just click add menu item, then link, and I am just gonna grab pages. So the first one is contact us, the next one will be shipping and tracking, and mind you guys, you have to have these pages created beforehand before you can do this. And if you don't know how to create your pages, well, there is a link in the description below that shows you the entire process. Alright, so contact us, shipping and tracking, and affiliate sign up. I'll also do affiliate login. Now, what we need to do is grab an outside URL for the affiliate program, and let me just go do that. Alright guys, we are back, and there we go. We paste the affiliate link in and we leave it like this and click add, and that's how you add an outside link. So this link is an internal Shopify link, and we want to add the about us to this section as well, which I haven't done an about us for this store as yet. So what we could do as a space keeper is just put the number sign here as a link and click add. Now, I don't recommend that you do this a lot if you don't have an about us, because it just makes your store not look as professional as it could be if someone is trying to click on your about us and it takes them nowhere. As a matter of fact, it's not advisable that you post any dead links at all. So once we've done that, we save the menu, which we just did, and go back to the footer menu, which is our legal list. I am gonna leave the search option on in case someone wants to use that to search the site. And for the first set of legal pages, what we do is just click the link, go to policies, and if you don't know how to set up your policies, there is a link in the description below that shows you how to do that as well. And we are gonna add the privacy policy, then we need to add our refund policy, and we definitely need to add our terms of service. So it's all very simple to do, guys. Alright, so these are our policies. We click save. That menu is ready. Next, we want to set up the main menu. This is the menu at the top. So we are going to change catalog to shop, and we're going to change it from all products to collections and all collections. Alright, then we're going to add sub-menus or subcategories to this menu. So what we do is first go to collections and add one. So let's add the baking collection. We put it on the shop, and we'll add cooking on the shop as well. And last but not least, kitchen accessories on the shop. Then we are gonna add the other collection to the top of the menu, or recipes and cookbooks. And if you make a mistake, just click the little X in the box. It removes the collection that you added. So our recipes and cookbooks will go at the top level, and then we are going to do a sub collection under cooking as well, because we have one more unaccounted for collection that we need to be linked to the site, and that's our seasonings. So we're just gonna drag this and drop it under cooking. Alright, and one more, we'll add contact us at the top of the page. So the contact us will be both at the bottom and at the top. Alright, and then we can save this collection, this menu I should say. And that's about it, guys. It's really simple to do, really easy, and it doesn't take much time. So if you got anything from this video today, if you gained any value, please drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next one.